Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Barkeeper's Friend is probably one of the most surprisingly versatile and incredibly effective cleaning products you can have in your arsenal, tackling everything from stubborn rust stains on stainless steel to baked-on grime on cookware, making it an indispensable tool for anyone looking to restore shine and cleanliness to a wide array of surfaces around their home with minimal effort. Number 5. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Bundle. Tackle tough messes with ease. This powerful cleaning solution is designed to make your surfaces sparkle. Its unique formula effortlessly removes grime, stains, and dirt. Experience the magic as it restores your items to their original shine. Paired with the innovative scrubber sponge, application and cleaning become a breeze. It's designed for maximum efficiency and comfort. This convenient bundle provides everything you need for a thorough clean. No more searching for separate tools, it's all here. From kitchen to bathroom and beyond, it works wonders on various surfaces. You'll be amazed at its versatility and effectiveness. What we like? This option is a powerhouse for tackling stubborn grime and baked-on messes. Its unique paste formula digs deep into dirt, and the included scrubber sponge makes application easy. If you have challenging stains or prefer a hands-on, abrasive cleaning method, this is your go-to. What people say. No suitable reviews found to extract points from. The provided source JSON was empty, preventing extraction. Number 4. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Miracle Multi-Purpose Cleaning Spray. Discover the cleaning power of Stardrops the Pink Stuff. This miracle multi-purpose spray is designed to tackle tough grime and dirt with ease. It's perfect for various surfaces around your home. From kitchens to bathrooms, it handles it all. Simply spray, wipe, and watch the dirt disappear. Its powerful formula makes cleaning less of a chore. Experience the miracle action that makes surfaces sparkle. It leaves behind a brilliant shine every time. This convenient 750 ml 3-pack bundle ensures you always have it on hand. Stock up and keep your home spotless. What we like? For everyday spills and quick cleanups, this spray is incredibly convenient. Its multi-purpose formula works on various surfaces, and the spray bottle ensures effortless application. If you are looking for a fast, efficient solution for daily tidying and appreciate a good bulk deal, this bundle is perfect. What people say. Number 3. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Ultimate Bundle. Discover the ultimate solution for all your cleaning needs. This comprehensive bundle brings together powerful formulas to tackle dirt and grime everywhere. Included is a miracle cleaning paste, perfect for removing stubborn marks. It works wonders on tough stains, making surfaces shine with minimal effort. You'll also find a convenient multi-purpose spray for everyday cleaning. It's designed to quickly refresh various surfaces around your home. For your bathroom, there's a specialized foam spray. This product effortlessly cuts through soap scum and grime, leaving your bathroom sparkling clean. Complete your cleaning arsenal with a gentle yet effective cream cleaner. It's ideal for delicate surfaces, providing a brilliant finish without harsh abrasion. This bundle is perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and even outdoor areas. You can trust it to deliver exceptional results across your entire home. What we like? This comprehensive set provides a tool for every cleaning challenge in your home. With multiple formulas, it ensures you have the right product for kitchens, bathrooms, and even outdoor areas. If you like having a full arsenal to tackle any mess and prefer a complete cleaning system, this ultimate bundle is for you. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted or quoted as per instructions. Number 2. Scrub Daddy CIF Cream All-Purpose Cleaner, Lemon. Discover the ultimate cleaning solution for your home. This powerful cream tackles dirt and grime with ease, leaving surfaces sparkling. Enjoy a refreshing burst of lemon with every clean. It leaves your home smelling wonderfully fresh and inviting. From glass to granite and chrome to marble, this versatile cleaner works on a wide array of surfaces. It's truly an all-in-one solution for your household. Achieve brilliant results on sinks, countertops, and even delicate gold fixtures. It restores shine and cleanliness to every corner. Stock up and save with this convenient 3-pack. Each bottle provides ample cleaning power for numerous tasks. What we like. This cream cleaner offers a gentle yet effective touch for more delicate surfaces like glass, chrome, and marble. It leaves a streak-free shine and a pleasant lemon fragrance. If you have sensitive surfaces that need care or prefer a fresh-smelling, non-abrasive clean, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 1. Barkeeper's Friend Granite and Stone Cleaner and Polish. Discover the ultimate solution for your stone surfaces. This specialized formula brings out the natural beauty of your countertops. It's expertly designed to clean granite and various stone types without harsh abrasives. You can trust it to remove grime effectively. Whether you have natural granite, quartz, or marble, this product is perfect. It works wonders on a wide range of stone surfaces, including silestone and soapstone. Not only does it clean, but it also polishes your countertops to a beautiful luster. It leaves a protective shine that enhances their appearance. This 25.4-ounce bottle provides ample solution for multiple uses. Simply apply, wipe, and buff for stunning results. What we like. Specifically formulated for natural and manufactured stone, this product not only cleans but also polishes and protects. It helps maintain the natural beauty and luster of your countertops. If you have granite, quartz, or marble surfaces and want a dedicated product to keep them looking their best, this is highly recommended. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.